Hey everybody, this is Robert, back with another video. I'm unboxing and making a first impressions of these headphones here. Probably backwards, but the Sony WH-CH510 Bluetooth wireless headphones. Now this is USB-C charging and of course has 35-hour battery life according to the packaging. I bought this on Amazon. It cost me like $38, but I only paid $35 because I had a $5 gift card. But that's beside the point. So it's $38 on sale. Normally it's $60. So let's get unboxing. Here's the box. I've already taken off the wrapper on the box, and let's get opening. There's the back. Okay. There's the Sony, there's the part number. I will fix the orientation of the video. So you lift a tab at the top of the box. I'm doing it with one hand because I'm holding the camera. So I lifted that out, and then there are two flaps that you have to lift, and then you lift the back flap, and this is where you can use the handy dandy thingamajig, I don't know what you call it, to, I guess, the hanger to take it off. So I had to get it off camera just to do that. And then the box had another tab. Don't worry about that, that's my timer. A different timer, so there you open up the flap, and there are the headphones, along with documentation and a USB-C to USB-A cable. All right. There we go. There is the first one. And there it is. Ta-da! Now we'll see how it functions. And my first impressions. Here it is, outside the box. It also came with a USB-C cable. Yes, this charges via USB-C. Here's the charging cable and the on-off switch and the volume rockers. Also the play, pause, and forward rockers as well. Now, they're pretty decently durable. And this is what it looks like on. Okay. Now, I've actually been listening to it for quite some time. Just playing like Spotify and also my personal music collection on my iPhone. I gotta tell you, this sounds way better than these Aki ones that I have, and they're a little bit more comfortable. They're a lot more comfortable, actually. It's a joy wearing it, and as you can see, it twists. So it's actually pretty comfortable, especially for those who have small heads. Small to medium-sized heads will work very well on this. Now the bass actually sounds a lot more punchy than with these. These Akis are basically AirPod knockoffs, and this is what one of them looks like. Now this is over the ear, and the only little teeny tiny, not complaint, but recommendation for improvement is, well, even though these are very comfy, more comfier than the Akis, my ear is a little big. It's slight, or these are a teeny bit small. If they could just make these about 1/4 inch bigger, then it would fit my ear better. But if it works, the pads work well over the ear and not covering the whole ear. It doesn't cover completely the whole ear, which may be a good thing. But I haven't tested the noise canceling, nor have I tested the mic yet, but I will be inserting a sound sample when I record it. Check 1 2 3. Check 1 2 3. This is just a mic test of the Sony WH-CH510. Sounds pretty good. Not the best, but pretty good. All right. Let's see what it does. However, my first impressions of these are very good. They sound excellent. You can really hear the treble, the high end clearly, and you can definitely hear the bass and the bass, of course, is very punchy, which is kind of what you want. And in fact, I did feel some of the lower end a couple of times too, but it was very minor. It didn't hurt at all. So my first impressions, I'd give this an 8.5 or 9 out of 10. I'd say 9 out of 10 for my first impressions. I'll do a more in-depth review of this. So this is the Sony WH-CH510 wireless stereo headset. This must have been manufactured in 2019, so it's very recent. In Tokyo, Japan. The headphones and the cable are made in Vietnam. So get these. These are only at the highest price. It's $60, roughly $60 at the highest price. But I bought these for $38, and after tax, I only had to pay $35. So I definitely is a bargain. that's all I have to say for this. And the unboxing part has already been done. And that would be like toward the beginning. All right, see you. Have a great day and week and weekend, and happy 4th of July. Happy Independence Day to everyone in the US. See you in my next video.